Okay guys, welcome back to Ginger Woodworks. So today we are going to use the InoKraft MaXpray M1 sprayer. This guy here, it's smaller in size, which is fantastic because I don't have a ton of room in my shop, and so having this thing around stored is not going to take up a lot of space. It is relatively affordable. It's on Amazon. I believe it's about $288, which for a sprayer of this quality, airless, completely airless, it is going to be a very affordable model. It does operate, if you've used sprayers in the past, many of these airless, it sets up, it cleans up, and it sprays very similarly. All the functionality, all the locks, all the trigger guards, everything is going to be pretty much the same. So stay tuned in the video as we kind of take a look at this. We're going to get the box, we're going to unbox it. We're going to show you everything that's in the box, and then we're going to go through and use it. So stay tuned as we check this out. Once all the parts are taken out of the package, you're going to take the little plastic caps off. You're going to attach the hose to the sprayer and to the spray handle. After tightening everything up with the wrenches that are included, you're going to want to go through the directions. It comes in multiple languages, everything from setup to startup, pressure relief practice, and it's even going to get a quick tube cleaning, as well as the priming the pump, filling your hose and gun, and you're ready to go. Now that we're all set up, let's get our hoses all sorted out. So we got our cords. I'm going to separate the hose. The skinnier hose is going to go into the dirty bucket. That dirty bucket's for priming, and it's great for cleaning. The larger hose with the filter on it, that one, you're going to clip that one to your stain or your paint. And then you're going to turn on the priming. You're going to let that run. As you can see it come out there. Now the sprayer is all set up. There's no air. And as you can see, I'm taking off the end, the spray tip. I'm going to make sure that the sprayer has all of the stain running through it. I'm going to put the head back on, and I'm ready to go. So here's your M1 sprayer, all set up, ready to go. And it's already been primed. Kind of a pro tip with any sprayer is I'm using the back of these cedar shutters, which I do want to seal, but I am using the back to kind of dial in the sprayer, see that I know how it works, how's the flow, and that everything's good to go. As you can see, I've got it all dialed in, and I'm ready to go and start spraying the rest of these cedar shutters. After spending the last month outside painting the house and building shutters, it was time to speed some things up. And this sprayer, that's exactly what it does. Honestly, my hands hurt, my legs hurt. I'm just ready to finish this project. And this sprayer, it's going to allow me to get it done and have them look great. Now it's time to get the fronts done so that we can spray them into the corners, along the edges, and just get these shutters on the house. Now that we're done spraying the shutters, the most important part for any sprayer, I believe, is the cleanup. Making sure that you're getting those hoses in the head and the whole unit just cleaned out so you're not gumming up your parts. So I take a clean bucket of water. I'm going to spray everything through. To be honest, I probably sprayed most of this bucket. Then I'm going to make sure that the sprayer head is clean. As you can see, the water's clearing through. Then I'm going to allow those hoses to drain. So I put the sprayer up on the sawhorses for a while after I roped it up, and I let it drain just like that. After cleanup, I took some time to hang the shutters. The house looks great. Okay, folks, now that we've seen the InoKraft MaXpray M1 sprayer in use, make sure that you check it out. I'm going to drop a link in the description for you guys to check out directly, to go to Amazon and be able to purchase this. And stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Make sure you subscribe to myself and check out InoKraft on Instagram.